Hello everyone, I'm going to create a few little flowers here for us. These are going to kind of be like a peony thing. We'll see. So I use the side of my brush a lot. Definitely give that a try because I think it's a really fun technique. And you can really get some pretty cool looks. I also, as you probably know, if you follow me, I love leaving a lot of white space. So that's why you see that quite a bit in my videos and tutorials. And then let's maybe do another one right here. And I'm using mostly red and these purples, which I've been really into lately. Again, leaving that white space in there. Between all the petals. And then just using some water. Some more of that red. Love that red. And now let's do some green for the stems and leaves. And I add eucalyptus to everything because I just love it. Are any of you kind of crazy about eucalyptus like me? I have it in my backyard and I love it. So let's get that in here real quick. And then go in with some red. Just tapping in while it's still wet. There we go. And let's do like that. A couple little leaves here. Do one more, whoops. Let's see here. Maybe one more flower over here. And some more of that red. It's kind of a reddish pink. There we go. And I'm even lifting some of that up, just for some contrast. Get a little more green. There we go. I start my leaves with a light wash and just really fan out my brush. Like that. And we'll get some darker spots in there, maybe to look like a little bend in the leaf. Something like that. And let's maybe add in, let's kind of play here. Let's maybe add in a little bit into that leaf. I always love doing that. Just think it's really interesting. There we go. And I'm going to add a little bud there. So, just like that. There we go. And let's do some more of our eucalyptus, maybe coming right out here, because I just can't stand not to put a little in my paintings. I'm gonna do a little bit more. I just think it's such a pretty plant. Maybe a sprig coming up here. There we go. And it's that beautiful blue silvery green that I just love. So I think I'll carry that maybe up behind here, just in the background. Just to kind of bring my eye over there. Add in a little bit of the blue. Look how pretty. Isn't that so fun? There we go. And I love it. Like that. I'm going to get a little darker right down at the bottom. Maybe a piece of eucalyptus coming out down there. There we go. Some of that blue. Yeah, I like that. And then the last thing I think I will do, I don't always do this, but let's play. I want to add in just a bit of a darker couple leaves right here, or I'm sorry, petals. There we go, just for some interest, like that. And I think I'm about done. And there we go. I hope you guys give this a try. Please come check out as well my Patreon. Definitely my Patreon too, which we can share photos there, so I like that. But my YouTube, I hope to see you over there. All right, everybody, that was with the round brush, and I will see you all soon. Happy painting.